Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable with Google Forms detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Airtable website. Log into your Airtable account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on the Add a Base button to create a new base for your data. Name your base appropriately, such as Google Forms responses. Open the newly created base by clicking on it. You will see a default table named Table 1. Click on it to enter the table. Here, you can customize your table by renaming it and adding relevant fields. To set up your Google form, open another tab in your browser and go to the Google Forms website. Click on the blank option to create a new form. Add a title and description for your form. Start adding your questions by clicking on the different question types available. Once you're satisfied with your form, click on the Send button in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, click on the link icon to get the shareable link. Copy this link to your clipboard for later use. Now, return to your Airtable base. Next, you will need to set up an automation to connect Airtable with Google Forms. Click on the Automations tab in the upper right corner of your Airtable base. Select the Create an Automation button. For the trigger, choose when a form is submitted. Select the Google Forms integration from the drop-down options. Paste the link you copied earlier into the appropriate field. Now, specify which fields in your Airtable base correspond to the fields in your Google form. This ensures that the data submitted via Google Forms is correctly mapped to your Airtable table. After mapping the fields, create an action for the automation. Choose Create a Record in Airtable as your action. Select your table and map the fields again to ensure accuracy. Once you've completed the setup, click Test Automation to ensure everything works correctly. If the test is successful, turn on your automation by clicking on the toggle button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.